Hi friends, today we are making a fit Spanish microwave almond lemon mug cake inspired by Tarta de Santiago. It has the cozy almond, lemon, and cinnamon flavor of the classic, but it is lighter, quicker, and ready in about 10 minutes. This recipe makes one satisfying serving. Let's start the ingredient walkthrough with 1 teaspoon extra virgin olive oil. It lightly coats the ramekin so the cake releases cleanly after microwaving. 1 large egg gives the cake structure and helps it rise into a tender single-serving dessert. 3 tablespoons plain Greek yogurt keep the cake moist and add a little creamy protein without making it heavy. 1 1/2 teaspoons honey bring gentle sweetness and a beautiful Spanish-style finish. 1/4 teaspoon vanilla extract rounds out the almond and citrus notes so the cake tastes warm and bakery-like. 1 small lemon gives us fresh zest, which is key for that sunny Spanish almond cake flavor. 3 tablespoons almond flour are the heart of this recipe, giving the cake its classic nutty flavor and soft crumb. 1 tablespoon oat flour helps the microwave cake hold together while keeping the texture light. 1/4 teaspoon baking powder gives this small cake just enough lift in the microwave. 1/4 teaspoon ground cinnamon adds warmth, and we will save a little for the final topping. 1 pinch fine sea salt makes the honey, lemon, and almond flavors taste brighter. 1 tablespoon sliced almonds gives the finished cake a pretty crunch and a nod to the Spanish original. We begin by adding 1 teaspoon extra virgin olive oil to an 8-ounce microwave-safe ramekin. Rub it around the bottom and sides so the little cake can slide out later. Now crack 1 large egg into a clear mixing bowl and whisk it with a fork until the yolk and white are completely blended. Whisk in 2 tablespoons plain Greek yogurt, 1 teaspoon honey, and 1/4 teaspoon vanilla extract. Keep whisking until the mixture looks creamy and even. Now zest 1 small lemon directly into the bowl, using only the yellow part of the peel. Stir the zest through the wet mixture so the citrus aroma spreads evenly. Add 3 tablespoons almond flour, 1 tablespoon oat flour, 1/4 teaspoon baking powder, 1/8 teaspoon ground cinnamon, and 1 pinch fine sea salt. This is where the cake becomes thick and almond-rich. Fold everything together with a spatula until there are no dry patches left. The batter should look thick, soft, and speckled with lemon zest. Let the batter rest for 1 minute. That short pause lets the oat flour hydrate, which helps the microwave cake cook more evenly. Spoon all of the rested batter into the oiled ramekin, scraping the bowl so none of that almond mixture is left behind. Smooth the top with a spatula, then tap the ramekin gently on the counter 2 or 3 times. This levels the batter and knocks out large air pockets. Microwave on high for 1 minute and 20 seconds in an 800-watt microwave. The cake should rise, set around the edges, and stay just tender in the center. After that first burst, check the center. If it looks glossy and wet, microwave for 10 seconds more. If it springs back lightly, stop cooking so it stays moist. Let the cake cool in the ramekin for 2 minutes. This helps the crumb firm up, which makes unmolding much easier. Now turn the ramekin onto the white dessert plate and lift it away. You should have a small golden almond cake with a soft, tender crumb. Finish by topping the warm cake with the remaining 1 tablespoon plain Greek yogurt, the remaining 1/2 teaspoon honey, 1 tablespoon sliced almonds, and the remaining 1/8 teaspoon ground cinnamon. That closes the cooking with a creamy, crunchy, lightly sweet finish. And there it is, a fit Spanish almond lemon microwave cake that delivers the cozy Tarta de Santiago flavor we promised, in 1 quick serving. Enjoy it warm as a sweet breakfast, snack, or light dessert. If you love this easy microwave recipe, please like, subscribe, and tap the bell for more.